Hello friends, and welcome to WellPath. In today's video, we delve into the transformative impact of cultivating positive habits for a healthier and more fulfilling lifestyle. Habits, whether big or small, shape our daily routines and have a profound influence on our overall well-being. Understanding the science of habits, research suggests that habits are deeply ingrained patterns of behavior that our brains automate over time. By comprehending the psychology behind habit formation, we can effectively harness the power of positive routines to drive long-term personal growth. Identifying your current habits. Begin by assessing your existing habits. Identify the ones that contribute positively to your health and those that hinder your progress. By acknowledging your patterns, you gain valuable insights into the areas where change is necessary for your holistic well-being. The habit loop. Explore the habit loop, comprising a cue, routine, and reward. By recognizing the triggers that lead to specific behaviors, you can strategically replace negative habits with positive alternatives, fostering a sustainable and positive lifestyle transformation. Crafting a personalized habit plan. Develop a tailored habit plan that aligns with your health and fitness goals. Focus on incorporating small, achievable changes that promote overall wellness, whether it's committing to a daily workout routine, mindful eating, or practicing gratitude. These intentional steps pave the way for a more purposeful and fulfilling life. Strengthening your willpower. Enhance your willpower by creating a supportive environment that encourages the cultivation of positive habits. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Leverage technology for tracking progress, and prioritize self-care to bolster your resilience and commitment to long-term behavioral changes. Embracing consistency and patience. Understand that building positive habits is a gradual process that requires patience and consistency. Embrace each small milestone as a significant achievement and stay dedicated to the journey of self-improvement, knowing that every positive habit contributes to a healthier and happier you. Conclusion. Incorporating positive habits into your daily life can foster a transformative shift, not only in your physical health, but also in your mental and emotional well-being. By nurturing these habits with intention and perseverance, you pave the way for a more enriching and purpose-driven lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today on WellPath. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content on your journey to optimal well-being.